What not to wear? Susanna Constantine discussed the moment she realized she was losing her hearing and felt isolated on Friday's installment of Lorraine. The former Strictly Come Dancing contestant explained she was starting to notice problems with her hearing when she was in large groups of people. If I was sitting next to someone I could not hear what they were saying, the 61-year-old shared. If they'd turn their back to me and I couldn't read their lips, I'm stuck. I began to feel kind of isolated and I could see how frustrated people were getting with me, like my children. Read more. Win a pair of tickets to the Coronation Street Experience. Latest, they'd be like, "For God's sake Mum, are you deaf?" "No, I'm not deaf." The presenter explained the moment of truth came when she was sitting in a barrel of cold water trying to listen to the birds in her garden. "Growing up in nature, I love listening to the birds," Susanna said. "I realized I couldn't actually differentiate between the different birds, and I pride myself on being a bit of a twitcher. So I took myself off to Boots Hearing Care, who I am now working with." Don't miss Lorraine Kelly's quiet life in Buckinghamshire, where average home is £757,000. Insight, Holly Willoughby dealt blow as Lorraine now turns ITV host. Latest, Lorraine walks off as Idris Elba interview goes off the rails after rude jibe video. Susanna told host Lorraine Kelly she'd spent a lifetime in loud environments and listening to music with her headphones. She told the Mirror earlier this month, "I won't lie, I did feel ashamed in a way. There are lots of young kids who have hearing disorders, which is obviously completely different. For me, it's always been one of the greatest physical signs of aging, like wrinkles and dentures. There can be a huge stigma around wearing hearing aids. I felt like I might as well go to the funeral director and order my coffin, it made me feel so old." However, after having a hearing aid fitted, Susanna described it as transformative and comfortable. According to Health Watch England, 12 million people are affected by hearing loss across the UK, with the greatest amount of hearing loss in the 60 to 69 age group. Lorraine airs on weekdays at 9 a.m. on ITV and ITVX.